welcome to Lifestyle with Din. Today we will be talking about the importance of being connected to source. But when you are connecting you to your source, you will be walking some paths where you won't find a path. You will find a lot of bushes on the side. You will find a lot of difficulties. You will have to tread uncharted territory because you're returning back to the source. Your mind, which has been conditioned from years and years, subconsciously and consciously, will have to navigate through uncharted territory to get to your source. But I think all the pain, all the fear will be worth the end result of being connected to source. And we are today with our dear Acharya ji, Uma ji, and we are walking as he leads us, and let's see where we head towards. So by that time you can enjoy the credits. Roll credits. So guys, as you can observe, there is an opening at the end. When you have walked enough through the path, the uncharted territory towards your source, you will automatically come to a place which is blissful, serene, peaceful, and then you can be one with it, the flow of the source. Irrespective of how many obstacles you face, you will be connected. So guys, just taking out the mask because now we don't have people around. And with that being said, we are enjoying our time. We can see the river behind us. I hope my voice is audible on top of the sounds of the river. It's a beautiful background rhythm. And we are enjoying with our friend Uma, the greatest. And today we will be talking about the importance of coming back to your source energy and how it is very significant for you to firstly identify that such an energy exists and then align with it, because then whatever you do becomes sacred. And when you do things which are sacred, you are backed by the entire cosmos. The entire consciousness of this world will back you and conspire to make all your dreams come true. We will be crossing the river and I will be recording it. You might slip, you might fall, but let's see, let's enjoy the naturalness of life. Uma, the expert, is ahead. And it's my turn. And I think I will take a dip. I will take a dip. And Uma is trying to guide me. I am saying I'll take a dip. But let's go, man. Uma, the expert, leading by example. Wet shoes, but who cares? Thank you, Uma. And we are through. Coming here, I saw a peacock. A week back, Uma said that he saw a leopard, and there are wild bears also on top. So it's like a wildlife heavy zone, and us humans are intrusions into this source. But this is what I want to tell you. We have to connect with all the energies, no matter how much fear we feel. We have to connect with this source energy, this energy to which nature is a very big gateway. And if we can come in nature, lose ourselves to nature, not exploit or get excited by it, then we open that doorway to source energy for all of us. Acharya ji, pranam. Expedition leader Uma Shankar ji is leading us. Along with being a yogi, he enters into the realm of the unknown and he leads the charge, and that's what it takes to move forward. Look at him go, look at him go. Look at the river go, making its own path, unobstructed, not being afraid, taking a few risks, and then finally the pathway clears. That is what happens on the path to enlightenment. It starts off as a very narrow path where you are fearful. You keep walking it, you keep doing the processes, then you find the state, and then there is an opening, a beautiful opening. You become the path and the processes dissolve as the state of being one with the source enriches you. This is the actual well-resourced water which the entire village that we are coming from, where Huma also stays, they drink. So this is, if you can see the water source coming from mountains, pure water. It's untouched, it's clean, and that's what it is to be connected with the source. Pure water. All the packaged Bisleri dead water, if we can have a little bit of flowing water, alive water with its minerals, then I think we will be doing ourselves a big favor. But then we'll have to get off that fear. Oh, we'll have bacteria, fungus, something in our stomach, because otherwise you stay happy with dead water. Same goes with life. If you're unwilling to take a chance with the absolute, you will have to live and accept the functional, and it is at most times mediocre. So guys, fresh Himalayan water behind me, straight from the source. If you can see, it's untouched, coming from deep down in the mountains. And now we're gonna have maybe a sip or two of this pure, magical, mineralized, active, highly ionized, because it's been flowing through the rocks. It's charged with life, as you are, if you can believe in yourself. So believe in yourself, be one with the source, and enjoy me having the water. Thank you, Huma, for this beautiful experience. Freshest of water. Stay connected to the source, even if at times it might wet your headband, but then there's enough sunlight from the source to dry it too. So enjoy, and I'm just enjoying this experience of beautiful, whole, resourced, mineralized water, and let's give it another go. Yes guys. Woo! When you're connected to the source, everything that you do is a part of what is supposed to happen, and you become the source of the rest of the world to grow. This entire village gets water from this small source. Please connect to your source energy so that you can also become a resource for the entire world, for something meaningful, for love, for joy and prosperity. With that being said, please do like, share and subscribe us on Lifestyle with Din, and do comment telling us what one step will you take today to connect to the source. So friends, if you ever want to try anything in life, please try to connect with your source energy, or I might say you must reconnect with your source energy, because then you will understand that you are enough. You have always been enough, and you are not only enough for yourself, but you are enough for everyone around you. Just like this waterfall behind me, it is the source of many creatures, many humans, many livelihoods having a fulfilled life, and all it does is keep flowing. So please connect with your source energy, because it is enough to help you find flow, find meaning, and find the bliss of giving while just being your authentic, absolute self. I hope you have the best day ever. Namaste.